others if you cannot help yourself. You cannot give what you cannot help yourself. You cannot give what you do not have. Po sa inyo lahat? Hindi pa kasi ako natutulog eh. Okay, before we start, I'd just like to thank again for your organization. I was here around 6 years ago. Naalala niyo po ba?
Yes.
Ano na taon na nakakaraan? Same day, same day. O, kaya kailangan natin ma-realize. Ito yung last part eh. Ito yung last part na hindi ko na-discuss eh. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo kanina that you should make more, you should become rich? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Am I teaching you to become rich so that you can become greedy, so that you can enjoy more? Hindi yun ang context. Sino sa inyo gusto nyo makatulong sa ibang tao? Ikaw lang, gusto mo makatulong? So, kunyari, may nakita kayo isang tao na nalulunod. Di ba marunong lumamoy? O nang pinulikan. Nalulunod ako, Rat. Tulungan mo ako. Talon kayo. Ligtas mo ako. Hindi rin ako marunong lumamoy. Tinamahin na kita. So casualty dalawa. What am I trying to say? How can you help others if you cannot help yourself? You cannot give what you do not have. You want to...
Kasi yung mga kami talaga babae, hindi talaga.
Char. Sinasabi mo, pero hindi lahat na pagbibigyan. Tama mali. Kasi as much as we want to help, sometimes kapos din tayo eh. Tama mali. May prayer, hindi nagigits mo. So that's the reason why I want to challenge you. You want to remove complacency. Dapat isipin mo the purpose of blessing. The real purpose of blessing is not for you to live a blessed life, but for you to become a blessing to others. Pag ganun ang mindset mo, way of thinking mo, kulang yung kinikita mo kapatid. Nagigets mo. At saka kung gusto mo talagang marunong mo complacency, you cannot think about short term, you have to think about long term. Ano ba say long term? Kasi simple ako na lang ngayon. Yes, practical to Dito, 5 levels of income, 5 levels. Level 1, day to day. Level 2, week to week. Level 3, month to month. Level 4, year to year. Level 5, decade to decade. Okay? Day to day, week to week, month to month. Diba? Year to year, decade to decade, 10, 20, 30. Sa lahat ng 5 levels, ano sa palagay yung pinaka-dangerous level? Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ano yung pinaka-dangerous? 1, hindi. At 1. Ano? 5? Hindi. Tatlo na lang, sana tumama na kayo. 4, hindi pa rin. Ako dalawa na lang. Ang pinaka-dangerous level 3. Ask me why. Pag tinamang ka level 3, comfortable ka din. 1 and 2 lalabang ka, kapos ka eh. Day to day, arawan, week to week. Kapos ka eh, uncomfortable yun. You will try to get out of that situation. Once you hit level 3, nabibili mo na gusto mo, nakakain mo na. Wala ka pa sa level 4 eh. Wala ka pa. Next one. Give what?